Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix DirectX error in COD Modern Warfare 2, then let's look at the following options. The first option is to update Windows. So how we'll do that is to right click on the start button, go to settings, Windows Update, check for updates, and also click on advanced options, optional updates, and update any optional update that are here. The second option is to reinstall DirectX. How do we do that? We click on the browser, look for DirectX, download, enter, and download DirectX and install it. The third option is to ensure the app that you're downloading or running is meeting system requirements. So how do we check for system requirements? We'll go to the particular app. Now I'll look for Instagram. Let's see if it meets the requirements. So system requirements. Yes, all are green ticks. So this shows that it meets the system requirements and I won't get the same error code. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.